Welcome to another day in paradise. Welcome again to BOCAS del Toro. We picked up our scooter yesterday in the evening and it broke down just like 200 meters from the point. A mechanic came, we filled up on gas and then it worked again. Now we have just been to one of the craziest gas stations I have been to outside of Southeast Asia, and we try to get from BOCAS town to Playa Bluff, and yet again we are stopped by a flooded street. This time we are going to try to get through. We'll see how that goes, and then Playa Bluff, I don't know, and then there's Playa Drago, hopefully, because it is raining. We'll see how far we can get, and I'll show you a little bit of the city as well. Let's go, vámonos!
I'm just trying to get my G's on. Calculate a couple bands, put my G's on. Jumping, keep trying to cop a feeling, grilling like I can't quit, I never stop though. Kicking with the squad, we just came to get it poppin'. We vibing, we rolling.
From the street, you go through the jungle onto the beach. There's the ocean. Crazy views, nobody around. I mean, the weather isn't too good, but I think it's always pretty quiet out here because it is quite a ride out of BOCAS town. You drive for like half an hour because the street is rough, and then you have all this for yourself. Again, I miss my drone a lot because this would be perfect views even with the clouds. Now we're going to hang out for a little while and then head on. Vámonos! After a very bumpy ride, which took us 2 attempts because we ran out of gas, had to go back to the gas station, and then got here to Playa del Drago, which is like on the other end of the island. It is like 16 kilometers, but still it takes over half an hour. But now we are here and we are going to walk over there to Starfish beach. For that, at Playa Drago, turn left, drive until you can't drive no more, and then you have to walk alongside the ocean towards Starfish beach. There are signs all along the way, so pretty easy to find. Let's see if it's worth it. Let's go.
I want you to stay.
Welcome to Starfish Beach. This beach has its name for a reason. the ocean floor is sprinkled in starfishes, and also there are quite some other differences to the other beach. First of which is all the boats, because there are a lot of excursions going here, and with that comes a lot of people. That's another difference, and also music, and there are all these little restaurants and places to find something to drink. And we are going to chill out here for a while, enjoy, and then head back towards town, which I'm going to show you as well. See you over there.
Eso, más duro, no te escucho.